Alright, before adding cavity wax, I want to take a look inside here just so we can see the inside of this corner here. It looks pretty decent. Look at that. A little bit of dust. Move this thing around. You see the rubber there. Go on the other side. A couple little guys living in there. No big deal. It was good. Nothing alarming. Get that out of there. Let's go on this one here. Oh, that looks pretty good in there. Look how clean that looks. Not bad. Not bad at all. Go ahead and take a look at the other side too, because obviously we're going to do both sides, right? Stick this in here. It's a tight fit, but yeah, you can see that she's pretty clean on this side too. Nothing alarming in there. Like that. No need to go any further. Go on this side here. Look how clean that looks inside there. Got some good old cavity wax. You can buy this stuff. Different stores have them. 3M. You see the part number. This thing was like $30 something. Then these applicators were like 30 something too. I already added some in here. You can see the starts coming out. The whole idea is you go in as deep as you can, like you do with your side piece, right? Give this thing a good shake. Give it a little more, why not? Start all the way in. And I just start like going in and out. Try to get in every corner. Same idea over here. Why? Because you want to protect the car. Yes, sir. See the starts coming out of there. That's a good sign. You come in here, do the same thing. Go in as deep as you can. Whoa, easy, buddy. You're making a mess. You go all the way down the rocker panel. Go up. Sideways. There we go. Come over here. Why? Because we want to protect these cars. That's why. Now I'll grab the camera, take another look and see how it looks in there. But you see a little smoke coming out. Yeah. Quiet. Cavity wax. Save the cars, people. Save the cars. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Let's grab this camera again. Let's take a look in here. Let me go ahead and straighten this out so it looks the right way. I just want to see what it looks like, right? We're going to see the before and after. Oh, look at that. It's all nice and coated. Now you know how it looks when you apply cavity wax. Look at that. All the way down there. See it? Check it out over here. You see everything looks wet. That's cavity wax. Not bad. Let's check this other side out. Yeah, look at that. Cavity wax all over the place. Smoky because I just sprayed it, of course. Let's check this side here. Look at that. Move this thing around. Yeah, I like it. Got it all over the place. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Save the Supras.